Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today's something nice we're gonna do. We're going one place is in Hampshire. All the bikers comes up there. So I'm gonna show you lots of bikes today. The problem is today I'm wearing a shoes which is slightly slippery and I didn't notice that it's slippery. So today will be the slightly different route what I normally ride on. It's a beautiful views there. Oh my god. It's not even started yet and trains. Here we go, we're gonna stand all the way up here. When I rev it so hard, it was bit bumpy. My front wheel was almost few inches above the ground. Well, I just noticed there was a camera, average speed camera. For what reason? Ah, that's for the bikers because I never saw the camera. So they installed a new camera. Oh my god, this. We need to check. We need to be careful. I don't want to get caught. Oh, I love that sound. You fucking idiot. Here we go. We are here. You will see lots of bikers, lots of bikes. Oh, it's not busy today. No, it's not busy today at all. Oh, that's a Trump. That's a Honda Fireblade. I don't know what they're riding. I need to make a video. I love this bike. I'm making a video with my other camera as well. Okay, so it was not busy as I expected because they're gonna close in 25 minutes. So that's why everyone is going back. So I suggest I will go back as well now. Oh, that's pink bike. Oh, that's a lady rider. That's why. Alright, guys. Whoa! It was strong side wind. There's tick 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 going on. I don't know if you can hear it or not. On my helmet, my strap is keep touching it. Anyways guys, that was just a small video. I was trying to check if it's busy. Next time we will go there when it's more busy. So I will stop here, put my camera into my bag and just drive home now. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It was just a small video, but it's still, I am happy with that. Thank you. Bye bye.